All right, so we are 9 days away from the end of our demo contest. 9 days away, guys. 9 days away. No time again. No time. No time. No time. No time. Somebody was asking me on. I think somebody was, commented on social media and was saying, can he or she use AI? Can you use trading robot EA? Oga, bring all your powers. All your powers. If you have any power hidden anywhere, bring it. This demo competition is for traders that understand strategy. Strategy can be automated, strategy can be manual. See, it doesn't matter if you're using a manual strategy. I've been able to take, I have a demo account that I've taken to over $100,000 from $10,000 in just 2 weeks. In fact, not up to 2 weeks, because I was not serious with it, I was just playing with it. No AI will do that. It will eventually blow the account. You get my point? So it's not about AI or whatever. It's about your strategy, whether it is automated or manual. Okay, come and prove it. Come and prove to us that you have a strategy that can compete in the market. That's just what this demo contest is all about. No hidden rules. No, all these rules here and there. You cannot edge. You cannot do this one. You cannot do that one. Okay, come and use all your powers. So if you're here listening to me and you are interested in walking away with a pool of $1,000, that's over 1.3 million naira now, for absolutely free of charge, no rules whatsoever. All you have to do is to just come here and click on join. We have 9 days to go. There's still a lot of opportunities. I tell you, believe me, there's still a lot of opportunities. Many of these guys you are seeing here will still blow their accounts. Many of them here, they will still blow these accounts. All right, look at this guy. This guy has made over 5,612% return. Let me calculate that for you. All right, let's put that in perspective. Let's put that in perspective. What we're talking about is that he has taken his $10,000 times 5,612%. That's 5,612 times. He has doubled that money. Okay, let's divide. Let's divide 5,612 by 100. All right, good. It means he has doubled, he has flipped that money 56 times. Okay, competition just starts. Somebody has flipped his account 56 times. All right, times $10,000. That means this guy is currently on $561,200 in currently now, based on what we are seeing. All right, but me, I'm telling you that even this guy who is number one right now can still blow this account based on what I'm seeing. So there's a lot of opportunities. There's a lot of opportunities for you to jump into this trade, jump into this competition, and start hitting the lots. It's a demo account. You are not risking anything. All you are doing is registering an account, verify the account, have a minimum deposit in your account. That's all. That's all you're doing, right? Minimum deposit is just $10, and you're not trading it. It's just going to be there. You can withdraw it at any time. It's just going to be there. $10 is like 13,000 now, thereabouts. All right. But the real competition is happening in demo accounts, which is not your money, demo money, $10,000. And then the psychology is going to be very nice because you're not trading with real money. So your psychology should be better, even if you're a beginner. All you just need to do is to understand how to trade, have a very good strategy, and begin to hit the lot. And you walk away with a prize pool of 1.3 million naira in the next 9 days, 12 minutes, 53 seconds. All right, so if you're sleeping on this, you can see me, I did not join. I didn't join because if I join, problem go dey. Yeah, the money is not, so I want you guys to do it. You can see this is my platform. This is my platform. This is me. Let me show you my name. You can see this is me. This is me. This is my platform. This is my name, Precious David, right? I didn't join. You can see it's telling me to join. I didn't join because I wanted you guys to join. Because if anything that will make me to join, there will be problem. Yeah, I will just carry this account to my power room and then plug some things on it. That's all. You understand? So, guys, make sure you're taking advantage of this. Whether you are a manual trader, you're an AI trader, whatever you are using to trade, it's also a very good time to test out your strategy. All right, all the strategy we've been talking about, it's a very good time to test it out and get rewarded for it. You understand? Because we have 10 winners, 1 to 10. So it's a wonderful time to actually, look at doing that. All right, Madam Mandaline, if I get that correctly, you're asking how do you join the competition? Fantastic. Let me quick question for ask, do you have an account with EBC Financial Group? If you have an account with us, do you have an account manager or a business development manager who is attached to you? Great. So if you have an account manager, a business development manager, it's very simple, man. Very, very simple. All you just have to do is to speak with that person, and the person tells you how to join. Well, anyway, majorly, all you just have to do is speak with that person. The person tells you how to join. But what the person is going to tell you is going to be how to, of course, if you have verified your account, it means you're already halfway there. If you already have more than $10 in your account, it means you're already qualified. What you just have to do is to come to latest campaign and click on join now. Create a demo account with $10,000 in the account. Demo account, to $10,000 is not your money, it's demo money given to you by the company. All right. So, and then you start trading. You start trading. As you start trading, once you hit the lots, you'll be on the ladder board. For example, let's look at the ladder board together. You discover that the 10th person now is just at 303%. Guys, this great. So if you have a demo, like I said, just speak to your account manager, man, so that person will tell you what to do, because it's not all demo account that qualifies. All right. Your demo account must have $10,000, must have never been traded before. So in case you need to open a new one, you understand what I'm trying to say? So make sure you speak with your account manager. It's very, very important. Look at this guy, guys. This guy has only done 303%. This is too, oh God, this is too low. This is like 1 hour of trading, 1 hour on gold, 1 hour, or either gold, give me crude oil, give me gold, give me T30, give me US 100, give me US 30. I will achieve this in 1 hour. I will achieve this in 1 hour. 303% is too low. It means that there's still a lot of margin for growth. There's still a lot of margin for this competition. It means that there's still a lot of margin for you to actually jump in and begin to cash out. All right? Sorry, let me just pick up the noise. Give me a minute. All right, sorry for that. So what I'm trying to say is that there's still a lot of margin for you to jump into this competition and begin to win. Because look at what people are doing. On the 10th position, we just have 303%. I mean, you can, if you start, this is 9 o'clock now. If you start trading now, between now and 9:20, 9:30, if you know what you are doing on gold alone, you should be able to kick this guy out very fast and position yourself in between number 7 to number 10 very fast. All right. I'm not playing, no. I'm very serious. I'm very serious. All right, Mr. Peter, you're welcome. You're new to trading and you need mentorship. You're welcome. We have a lot of mentors in the house already. I don't know if you have an account manager. You can let me know if you have an account manager, a business development manager. You see, a business development manager is like an account specialist that has been specially assigned to you to help you to, get yourself started. Their job is to hold you by the hand to make sure that you are doing the right thing to become profitable at the end of the day. All right. So if you don't have one, let me know. And if you have one, let me know who the person is. So we can also arrange some things for you to help you, Mr. Peter. All right. It's very, very important. Guys, I've been able to really, really make us. I say I don't want us to lose this, because the reason I'm not trading is because I want us to win, right? And I want to give us some room. I want to see you guys doing it. And that's why I'm not joining this competition. I'm not happy with these results because this is too small, right? This is too small. It means we still have a lot of people that are not still trading well, right? So guys, we still have a lot of opportunities to jump into this trade. Remember, this is not just in Nigeria. This is happening all around the region in Africa. This is Africa as a whole, all around the region. All right. We have that of India, we have that of Asia, and all that and all that. But this is for Africa. So all these guys you are seeing now, majorly they're Africans. All right. So we have a lot of opportunities to jump into this trade and also be the best, be number one. Like I said, this guy can blow his account at any time based on this aggressive move. All right. So you can jump into this trade and beat him out if you know what you're doing. Anyway, let's go to why we're here today and quickly look at 3 major trades. Trading opportunities. On Monday, congratulations to those of us that joined us on Monday. Fantastic market movement. I don't know why people are saying market is summer now. This one, that one. I went on Facebook and I was checking on our page. for this competition ad that we're running. And some people were saying, now the market is somehow. That's when you say people should come and do competition. And I'm like, are you kidding me? This is the best time to make money. I have a friend who, we knew ourselves some 4 years ago, right? He's a trader, and he came into the company as a trainer. Then it was trainer. It was the trainer in the company while I was the lead marketing person, and we were friends, right? And eventually, I discovered that this guy is also good in trading. Let me cut the long story short. As I'm speaking to you right now, the guy has flipped 1 million. I'm not kidding, guys. $1 million. He has flipped it 3 times. 3 times. $1 million. He has flipped it 3 times. In this Trump era, in this market is somehow, okay, somebody is flipping $1 million 3 times. This is not somebody far. This is somebody I know very well. So don't tell me the market is summer. This is the best time to make money if you know what you're doing. All you just need to do is to position yourself and understand. Anytime there's a shift in the market, you need to understand how to position yourself to take advantage of that shift. It's very, very important. Very, very important. All right. So today we're going to be starting, of course, on Monday, I gave us this trade. I don't know if you remembered. I gave you this sell trade on Monday. Fantastic. It was so sweet. So sweet. I gave you our stop loss was somewhere around here. I don't know if you remember. D30 has been giving us some very back-to-back. D30 has been giving us profit back-to-back. Right now, I'm looking at a possible upward movement to come back to retest 24356.3 before moving back down to the downside. It's a very, very, it's a very, very potential upward movement I can see on the 1 hour time frame. On the daily time frame, yeah, this is also looking good on the daily time frame as well. Even though I know that this is more like a retracement, the overall movement is still a downside movement. Overall trend is still a downside trend. But regardless, we're just going to be taking advantage of the short movement to the upside there, possibly between here and here. As we are speaking, market is even already moving. So let me just see how we can take advantage of this. Okay, good. I think I'm seeing some very good entry for this as well. So I'm going to be giving you a buy stop and sell stop without wasting much of our time. A buy stop and sell stop entry for D30. You see, the problem I have with this buy stop here is that I know that if price gets to this point, most likely than not, it might trigger this trade and then begin to come back down. There is a high possibility on the 15 minutes time frame that we will see price try to break above this verified level of resistance, now a quote resistance, and then reverse back to the downside. All right. So I'm going to give you a sell stop alone. I'm not going to give you a buy stop, but I'm going to tell you how to enter the buy trade if price actually breaks above this point. I don't want it to trap us out or trap us in, whereby triggering a buy stop order for us and then going back against our direction. I know price is going to get here. You can see it's already pushing, but I don't know if it's going to break above here. If it breaks above here, the next point, the next bus stop is here. So we're going to be going for a buy stop, a buy preference and a sell stop entry for these two trades. So let me quickly drop those trades. Oh, okay. All right. So, Mr. Faustin, I think somebody's already replying to you. The person replying to you is also a senior business development manager, and would be able to tell you how to get some of the videos. We still have a lot of strategy classes coming up this month. We're going to be talking about the magic of trend line. We're going to be talking about the secret of patterns, price patterns, a lot of things. And they've talked about a lot of things in time past. So please make sure you speak with Ada to be able to get the link to these videos that we've done. They are absolutely very amazing strategy classes. Okay, anyway, let's come back here. Guys, D30 euro. For the buy preference, you know how we do it. Enter a buy trade. Our entry price for the buy trade is going to be a close above 24224.9. Okay. SL for that trade is going to be at 24183.2. TP for that trade is going to be at 24356.3. Okay, so this is for the buy preference. I don't want us to have a buy stop, because like I said, I don't want price to trap us in. If it triggers this buy stop here, since the overall trend is a downtrend, I would rather give you a sell stop, and then we can have the buy preference in case price breaks above, then you take your buy, no problem. But let's see what happens. Okay, so for the entry for the sell stop, we're going to be going for 24148.4. 24148.4. Our SL for that trade is going to be at the same point at 24183.2. Our take profit rather is going to be strategically placed. You can leave this take profit open as well, actually. You know what, TP, leave it open, because the overall trend, even from the daily time frame, is looking very bearish. So open, but with break even. Open with break even. Open with break even. Let's move to the next trade. Euro USD very fast. Eesh. My God, my God. My God. Guys, you are still sleeping on this strategy. See now, see. I don't need to, if you joined me last few weeks when we talk about this strategy, stochastics and moving average, just look at this sweet setup. Look at it now. Guy, even two. We had two this morning. This was the first setup, sweet setup around this point, but I would have taken this trade actually. I would have taken this one. We had the second one. Yeah, this one was perfect. Perfect. Kai, we had a shooting star hanging from the dynamic level of resistance, which is our 21 period moving average. At the same time, our stochastics was giving us an overbought region, telling us that price was aligning perfectly. You understand? Aligning. See, if it's only this one you take with one standard lot, you are okay. Just look for one opportunity, hit it with very good lots, and you need to also have a very good account size. So take note of that. All right, it's not just your lot. You need to have a very good account size. This alone is this is Kai. This is 34 pips. That's $340 with a one standard lot on Euro USD. How much will I be risking to take that trade? If I take that trade, I will only be risking. Let's say I enter here. Of course, my stop loss would have been here. I will only be risking about $90 to make $340. That's a lot. That's about one ratio 3 point something. Guys, you're sleeping on this radio. You're sleeping on it. Anyway, let's see what's going on Euro USD. Can we still enter? Is this still a good trade? Let's look at it. So yeah, price is currently still kind of consolidating on a trend line. I don't want to be drawing too many lines, but just to give you an understanding of what price is doing, price is actually giving us kind of an open trend line movement, more like a wedge, more like a wedge. So this is what price is doing. You can see clearly now. Okay, so you can see it clearly now. The price is respecting these levels, respecting these levels, respecting these levels as well. So there's a high possibility that price, if it doesn't break here, is going to come back to retest this 21 period moving average before going further down. But we're in a downward trend, sharp. So this is a downward trend. So price is currently at this level right now, and we're expecting a push to the upside. But the push to the upside is not going to. We're not really expecting a massive push to the upside. It's just going to be a retest of probably these levels. All right, and then prices eventually might reverse back to the downside. So what I'm going to be giving us is going to be a two-edged sword for a sell. I'm going to be giving us a sell limit around this level for a stop loss around here. I'm also going to be giving us a sell stop around this level. In case the sell limit doesn't trigger, we have a sell stop that will still trigger in case price breaks this point. Okay, so we have a two-edged sword trade. Our sell stop is going to be here. So the sell stop loss for the sell stop is going to be here. Stop loss for the sell limit is going to be here. So take note, if any one of them trigger, the sell stop triggers, please delete the sell limit. If the sell limit triggers, delete the sell stop. All right, so take note of that. What's it called? Take profit eventually. We're going to be looking at this point, both for the two trades. Okay, Mr. Peter, can you let me know the terms you're talking about? Let me know the terms you're talking about. D30 trade. Mr. D, let me quickly help you present. Can I do this? Can I do this? So this is D30 trade. I'm moving on to Euro USD now. So Euro USD, we're going to be having a sell limit. If you don't know what sell limit is, so a sell limit is a pending order. All right, a sell limit is a pending order, and what we are trying to do is that we are saying that we don't want to enter now. We want to enter only when price gets to this point, 1.17260. So as this price is going up now, we believe that if it gets here, it will reverse back down. All right. So a sell limit is we are putting a limit here. We are saying that this is the limit that price is going to get to. If price is going up now, it's not going to go up because it's a downward trend, right? So, but of course, we're going to see price trying to, of course, give what they call it a price doesn't just go down, it goes down, it goes up, goes down, goes up. But the force of going down is going to be more than the force of going up in a downward trend. So I'm explaining it now like like as if you're a beginner. I'm not using any terms. So what we are saying now is that if price is going to go up, we are saying that it's not going to go above this limit, and this limit is at 1.17260. We are saying that when it hits this limit, it's going to go back down. This is the limit at which we expect price to get to before it goes back down, if at all it goes up. So because we know that we are expecting this to happen, we are putting our sell trade here, but it's a pending order waiting, pending the time price we get to 1.17260. So when price gets there, it will trigger a sell trade for us, and our stop loss is going to be at 1.17399. Our take profit is going to be at 1.16771. So I'm going to tell you how to take the trade, but let me just quickly drop the levels for you first. So our take profit, let's go for a take profit of 1 point. For the sell limit, let's go for 1.177008. Now, what we are saying is that I've already explained the sell limit. Now, how do you place this trade on your account? If you are using, okay, I will explain very soon, Madam Evelyn. Now, if you are using an MT4, how do you place this trade? It's very simple. Let me quickly explain. On your phone, you're using an MT4. Listen to me now. How do you place this trade? Very simple. MT4, MT5 is the same thing. It's not that MT5 have two ways of placing the trade. You can place it on the chart on MT5, and you can place it outside the chart. But let me give you the easiest way for you to do it on MT4, both MT4 and MT5, the same way. When you want to place this trade, go to Euro USD on your market quote. You know what market quote is? That place where you have, all the symbols, Euro USD, USD JPY, all the symbols aligned. That's the first icon on your phone. If you click on that thing that looks like two arrows pointing opposite direction on your phone, that's the first icon. That is the market quote. All right. Once you click on market quote, you will see Euro USD. Click on Euro USD, you will see trade new order or open order, whatever the case may be. Now, when you click on that new order, if you look up, you will see on that new order, you will see market instant execution or market execution. Now, what that means is that you want to enter instantly, but we want to do a pending order, right? We are doing a sell limit order. So what do? You click on that market execution, and it will give you other options. You'll be able to see sell limit, buy limit, buy stop, sell stop. On MT5, you even go ahead to see sell stop limit, buy stop limit. Don't disturb yourself and confuse yourself. Just pick sell limit alone. Pick sell limit, pick the one you are interested in, and then set it. Now, once you pick sell limit, if you're using an MT5, you will see price. MT5 will make it simple. But if you're using MT4, you will see it in the middle. The price is always in the middle. In the middle, you see it price 0.000 is always in the middle. Then by the time you go down, by the left-hand side, you will see another 0.000. By the right-hand side, you will see another 0.000. That one in the middle is the entry price I have given you on the chart, 1.17260. That's what you should put there. The one on the left-hand side is your stop loss. Stop loss is always at the left-hand side. Stop loss is whether MT4, MT5 is always at the left-hand side. All right, but MT5 will label it. MT4 does not really use to label it, except you're using an iPhone. Now, what you do is you put your stop loss 1.17399, and then your take profit at the right-hand side, 1.17008. Then you click on place. It will not, if you place it successfully, it means you have placed the trade. The trade will not activate until price goes up to hit that place you have said it will going to hit. If the price does not get there, it will never activate. You can delete it. Now, make sure you also set your what's it called? Your lot size appropriately as well. The same thing for buy stop, buy limit, whatever you are doing. That's how to pick it if you want to pick it. Now, what's the difference between sell stop and sell limit? All right. So if you want to know the difference between sell stop and sell limit, just hang on to the end of this class. I'm going to tell you. Let me quickly give you the next one. I'm going to tell you, but let me quickly give you the next one. So same Euro USD, we're also going to be having a stop, a sell stop. All right. So the sell stop for Euro USD, the entry price is going to be at one. In case price doesn't go up to touch that point, we don't want to miss this trade. 1.17008. Our SL for the trade is going to be at 1.17155. Our TP for that trade is going to be at 1.16771. All right. 1.16771. 1.16771. Guys, there you have it. All right. So let me give you the last one, and then I'm going to tell you the difference between sell stop and sell limits. Let me give you the last trade for today. So we've talked about this. We've talked about D30. We've talked about Euro USD. Let's talk about gold. Let's go and look at gold. So let me navigate myself to where I have this. All right. So gold has been consolidating for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days right now around this level. Okay. On the 4-hour time frame, you'll be able to see that clearly. You can see the consolidation on the 4-hour time frame. So price is just bouncing from here to here, just bouncing around those major key levels. Level 1, level 2. All right. So these are the major points price has been bouncing around on for gold, right? So we can also see here on Monday we made profit from gold. Today I'm also hoping that we're going to make profit. I'm trying to see how to enter, but where price is right now is quite dangerous because we don't know if it's going to go up or go down. There are two major key levels. We have this level here, we have this level here, and price just in the middle of it. So what I want to do is I want to mark out those 2 points. This is the high. So we have this high here and we have this low here. Okay. We have this high and we have this low. These are the two major points that we're expecting price to break out from. So we're expecting a breakout of this structure. Let me quickly check how many pips is this. I want to give us a buy stop, sell stop limit. Ooh, this is much. That's okay. I'm on a 1 hour time frame. Let's jump to the 15 minutes and see this clearly. So this is looking more like a sell trend, starting up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give us a sell stop and we're going to be risking about 100 pips on this. Let me check. Let me confirm this. About 150. That's about $15 on this. But the problem I have is this has happened before. What's stopping it from happening again? You get the point, right? So if this has happened before, there's nothing stopping it from happening again. It means the price can actually come here, trigger our sell stop, and then bounce back to the upside. So instead of having a sell stop on gold, what I want us to have is a sell preference. I don't like sell preference because sometimes gold can move very fast, break the level, and don't give you any entry. You understand? But most times having a sell stop also can be a trap because you can see price has done this multiple times. It has done this the first time, second time, third time. This is the fourth time price is doing this. All right. So what do we do here? Quite simple. What we want to do is we want to wait for price to break that point. So if you're trading gold, pay attention. ZAL USD, it's a sell preference. I'm preferencing a sell. Our entry is going to be at a close below 4690.23. Our TP for this trade is going to be around here 4665.16. Okay, and our SL for the trade is going to be at 4705.38. All right, so lastly, let me quickly explain the question that was asked by Madam Evelyn. What's the difference between sell stop and sell limits? Okay, so let's quickly explain that, and then I call it a day. So sell stop, sell limits, pay attention. This is, let me tell you the difference between these two. They can look very similar. So let's quickly draw two things. So no. So let's assume that this is a high and this is a low. Now, for sell limit, I've explained that what we are expecting is that price is going from here, and when it hits here, we are expecting price to bounce back down. So we are expecting price to come back down when price hits that level. Now, when price does that, we are expecting price to push back down from this high level here. So what we are doing is that we are putting our trade at this point before price will come down. So price is currently here, but it's going up. But we are saying that this place is very strong. So we expect that if price hits here, it will come down. So this is a limit to the upward movement of price. And we are putting our sell here so that when price hits here, it will push down. This is called a sell limit because I am putting my entry price at a limit. But a sell stop is that price is coming down. Now price is coming down and there is a support here. But we are saying this support, the way the support is looking, is not that strong. We expect that price is going to break below this support. There's going to be a break below that support because the support, based on what we are looking at and based on the trend of price, the support is not that strong. So therefore, we are expecting a break. Now, because we are expecting a break of this support, and we are not too sure because price could get here and bounce back up. But we are 70% or 80% sure that price is going to break it. So what we do is that we will now put our trade below the support, below the support. That way, when price comes breaking that support, it triggers our trade the same way. So once it breaks this place and goes down, it will trigger my trade here. This trade here is a sell stop, waiting for price at this bus stop, just below the level of support. You understand? So this is a sell stop, this is a sell limit. The major difference is that a sell limit is taken from above price. Price is here, but you're taking it above price, expecting that when price gets to that point, it will go back down. But a sell stop is below price. Price is coming from here, and you're taking your sell stop below the price. So when price breaks this level, it triggers your trade and continues going down. All right. So I hope that explains it. Guys, I want to say a very big thank you to everybody. Let's take our trade. I'll see you in the competition as well. And let's make sure that we are making money from all this trade. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone. Because of time, I might not be able to call all our names. But thank you so much for joining the class. Please, I want to know, these classes, are we making money? Are we enjoying the class? Have we been able to cash out so far so good from these classes? Please drop it in the comment section for me. I want to be sure. I want to know if we're not wasting our time. I want to know if we're not wasting our time. If you have made money from this analysis, please let me know. Drop it in the comment section for me now. Not today's own, anyone we've done before. If you're making money or you've made money, let me know. If your place icon doesn't work, it means you're doing something wrong. It means you've not done the correct thing. So you need to check your price levels. Okay, I have Mr. Dr. Favor who says yes. Cash out every 2 Fridays. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. I have somebody also saying, okay, I've just joined, I've not withdrawn yet. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. You can withdraw at any time, though. You can withdraw at any time. D, I have cashed out. Great. Great, 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 great. Thank God that this is a recorded section. So I'm screenshotting all your names. All of you who are not paying tithes, I'm screenshotting all your names. You will see me in your DMs. All right. Okay, fantastic section so far. Madam Oluwadare, why have you not made money? Why have you not made profits? Why? Please, who is your account manager? Let me know. So let me know what the problem is. Are you trading? Are you doing the right thing? You should be making money. On Monday was profitable. Last week Monday, last week Wednesday, all true profits. Last week we were on a profit streak last week. I tell you. And this week as well is not so bad. So far, so good. Xiaomi, I just, why now? What happened? What happened? What happened? Did you observe proper risk management? Did you observe, because that's the only thing that can make you to lose an account. Proper risk management is very key. mostly in our business. It's very, very key. But don't give up. Don't give up. My friend I was talking about, who got a contract of $1 million. He's trading as a portfolio manager. So he's actually doing portfolio management with some particular investors, and he has flipped the money two times or three times. When I knew him, all right. So I'm going to say this. So let me just quickly stop recording first, because what I'm about to say is strictly, I want it off the book. So guys, this is officially the end of this program, and I'm going to be seeing us on Monday. And Monday is going to be a special event anyway, so please take note. We're going to be having a strategy class on Monday. It's a very special event. It's a very special event. It's a very special event, so take note of that. All right. We're going to be talking about price patterns on Monday, so make sure you'll be in that event. I'm going to be sharing more details with us very soon.